The way of Japanese eggplant cultivation or Nashubi with easy and success for beginners. Nashubi or Japanese eggplant is one type of eggplant that is not much different from other types of eggplant in Salom melodia species. Although it has a varied fruit size, but the shape of the fruit remains round oval. It's just this type of aubergine has a smooth skin, shiny typical color of dark purple-black. Japanese eggplant or Nashubi began producing after the age of about 3 months. Here's how to cultivate eggplant Japanese or Nashubi more. 1. Terms of growing Japanese eggplant. Japanese eggplants can grow in lowland areas to a height of about 1,000 meters above sea level that has a soil with a sufficient organic material content and phase of land of about 5 to 6 and well drained. 2. Preparation of Japanese ground planting ground. Land to be cultivated or planted Nashubi de la Hotolebig first 2 weeks before planting. Land is first sprayed and cleaned, then mix the soil with manure with a ratio of 2 to 1. After that, make a bed with a length adjusted to the land. When planting is done in the dry season, planting distance can be coupled by planting 2 rows of plants in one bed. For that, the width of the bed in the dry season can be made 1 to 1.2 meters in size. Whereas if the rainy season, plants nestled. So the bed is 0.5 meters wide for 1 row of plants. This is so that the sun can be more freely reaching every part of the plant. The height of the bed is about 40 to 50 centimeters, and the distance between beds of 30 to 40 centimeters that will serve as drainage channels. After the completion of the bed can be given mulch straw. After that it is made until the planting hole with the distance in line 60 to 70 centimeters. If the bed is made for double rows, make a hole between rows with a distance of 70 to 80 centimeters. Each hole is submerged as much as 0.5 to 1 kilogram to make enough soil organic material. After that the beds are ready to be planted. 3. Preparation of Japanese eggplant seeds. Japanese eggplant seeds can be obtained by buying them at the farm shop. Before planting, seeds in seedling first. Seeding can be done in the bed or in polybags. With the media planting a mixture of manure and soil with a ratio of 1 to 2 and plus furada diga dosici sufficiently. But before sowing, the seeds soaked first then wrapped overnight with a cloth or towel, after that just as good as the seed. The nursery should be shaded and watered daily. Usually seeds will germinate after a week of seeding. At 10 to 15 days the seedlings are sprayed with pesticides and ZPT to avoid the seedling disease and stimulate growth. After the seeds are 20 days old or leaf 3 to 4 strands with a height of about 15 centimeters, the seeds can be moved to the field. 4. Japanese eggplant planting and maintenance. If everything is ready, do the planting. Each hole is given a mixture of urea, TSP, KCl, and NPK with a ratio of 2 to 1 to 1 to 1. Then the seed is planted perpendicularly, then doused with water but not to be inundated. To keep the plant growing upright, the stem of the plant is tied at a height of 1 to 1.2 meters that has been installed at the time the seedlings are planted. About 20 days later, the plants were given artificial fertilizers again with the same type and dose. Then after 15 to 20 days fertilized again with the same fertilizer. After that 20 days once nurtured with NPK. Other treatments such as weeding can be done simultaneously with the cultivation of plants. However, if necessary, weeding can be done more often. So we are discussing about the way of Japanese eggplant cultivation or Nashubi with easy and success for beginners. Hopefully the video we serve can be useful for us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.